Hi friends, it's Carol. I thought we'd have some fun with some Play-Doh today. First, take your Play-Doh and make it nice and flat. You can use your hands, you can use a rolling pin, whatever you have to make it flat. And, oh, you know what? Looking at this, it kind of reminds me of our road study when we were learning about a traffic light. Do you remember this color? What's this color? Red. What happened at a traffic light when it's red? That's right, we stop. What about this color? What is it? Yellow. Good job. And at a traffic light, we slow down. And over here, what color is this? Green. What do we do when we got to green? That's right. We drove away. We go. Good job. So let's see what I have over here. I have this white ball with all these little dimples in it. I wonder what's going to happen if I roll this ball into the yellow Play-Doh. Look at that. It left a mark. Gotta get that ball out of here. And I'm going to do it again with this one and roll and press it down a little bit. And now let's, wonder what happens if we're going to press it in. Oh, that's cool. And that one. Ooh, we can make a pattern. 3 dots, 2 lines. Let's try 3 dots over here. 1, 2, 3. That looks really cool. Okay, now let's try this one. Remember, this is the ball that sunk when we put it in the water. And it has little holes in it. I wonder what it's going to look like. Let's press and see. Ooh, look at that. Let's try it again. I like that. That looks really cool. How about if we bring it back? That looks really cool. That made its own pattern, didn't it? Okay, now let's try this one. This is squishy. And this one bounces too. Ready? I'm gonna roll this through and see what happens. Ooh, it made holes. Wonder what's going to happen. Let's do it again. More holes. They're tiny holes, but they're cool. I like that. Look. Ooh, you can feel that one. And feel this one. And feel that one. I like that. You know what? I'm going to try something. I'm going to turn this one over and try this spiky ball. I wonder what's going to happen. The little spiky ball, we had little holes. Remember? With little holes with the little spikes. These spikes are bigger. Let's see what's going to happen. We roll. Whoops. Look at that. I'm rolling it. It actually got stuck on there a little bit. But it made bigger holes. You can even press it in. Press it in. That looks so cool. You can even feel that one. Well, I hope you have fun looking and feeling bumps that the balls that you are going to roll in your Play-Doh. See what they make. Take a picture and let us see. Have fun.